busybodies, Maricris here. I have a core hit for you. All right, we've got 30 seconds on for each exercise, 15 seconds off, and in between each round, we have 45 seconds off to recover. Grab that water, do whatever you need to do. Now, I'm here to push you through all of this, but please listen to your body. If you need to pause, take a little bit more time, please do. Otherwise, let's get started. First up, we have a alternating bird dog. All right, we're gonna start in tabletop position here. We're gonna extend out opposite arm, opposite leg with that back toe tucked. So like I said, it's 30 seconds on, 15 off. I got the timer, let's go. All right, we are on. So like I said, tabletop position, extend opposite arm, opposite leg. Now take your time with this exercise. Really important to keep yourself centered. This is like a great active warm-up. Arms extend straight out, neutral neck. Good. Try not to arch that back. You're gonna hear that buzzer. Woo! 30 seconds off, or excuse me, 15 seconds off. Now we've got plank reaches. We're gonna come down to low plank here. You're gonna reach out right in front of you. Big key here is not to wobble. Ready? And up. Find that target in front. Nice wide base. That'll make it a little bit easier to find that stability. Woo. See, we started off with that bird dog. You didn't know what was coming. Starting to heat up now. It's not about speed here. Love it. 15 off. Next up, we have swimmers. You're gonna come all the way down. Arms and legs extended. Opposite arm and leg. 30 seconds. Wait for it. Catch your breath. And let's go. Keep that face down. You might be wondering why we're doing this with a core exercise. Great to have a strong core. We also have to have a strong low back. Rector spine to support you. We're about balance here. Good breathing. Come on, loser. There we go. Flip it over. We have alternating heel taps. Your choice here. Either way, low back pressing to the floor. If you have any neck problems or you get tired here, go ahead and keep that down. All right, otherwise lift up. Alternating heel taps. Keep that tabletop 90 here and drop each heel down. Shoulder blades coming off the ground. And chin up, nodding to your chest here. Up. And like I said, if that's too much, keep your head down. More importantly, keep that lower back pressed flat. Getting fired up here. Light fingertips behind the ears. 15 off, suitcase crunches. Arms and legs extended. You're gonna come up. Wrap yourself up, okay? That's what it's gonna look like. Waiting for the time, use this time to stretch. And bring it in. Not much time to stretch, clearly. Inhale, exhale. Inhale that control back, exhale. It's important as you get tired to really focus on that breath. Yes. Round one done. Let me catch up my time to see where we're at. So like I said, 45 seconds off. We're going back to the top, alternating bird dog. Take this time to grab some water here, which I will do. So now you know what we're doing. Get a feel for your body here and push accordingly, okay? You know what you're going for. You got it. You can give it 30 seconds. Take a little pause, a little longer if you need to. Otherwise, let's just go. We're just trying to get a little bit better. I don't need more reps, just better quality. So as you get tired, find something to focus on, all right? Here we go. 3 seconds. Alternating bird dogs. Flip those toes. Extend out. No need wobbling. Set those knees hip width apart. Really try to make that straight line, arm to leg. Don't need like an overarch or anything. That's not what we're doing. We're not doing kickbacks. Time, 15 seconds off. We're coming down, plank reaches, low plank. Make sure those arms are directly under those shoulders. Here we go, 5 seconds. Find that spot in front of you. 3, 2, and take it up. Reach. If you get tired of modification, hold it up here in plank, all right? Make this your own workout. Take it to your own level. Progress at your own rate. Listen to that breath. Okay, taking it down, swimmers. Woo, getting warm here. I love that full activation right there. Full body work. Swimmers, strong core, strong back, right? Swim towards that goal. Keep that face down. Flip it over, alternating heel taps. Your choice, head down or lift those shoulder blades up. Bring these legs up 90 degrees. Flex feet. Lift up and bring it down. Bring it all the way back up before you bring down the other leg. You really want to have this tension. So if I was there pushing on your legs, I shouldn't be able to. That's how activated it needs to be. All right, don't be passive about it. We're gonna do the work, we might as well do it all in. Woo, suitcase crunches. Let's wrap up round 2. Arms and legs extended. Remember, we're coming up here. All right, ready? Let's go, 30 seconds. And it's just a light grab that I do up top. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. It's like a nice checkpoint for me. And try not to use like too much momentum to swing up. Really see how you can activate with control. I'm so excited that we're on our last round. 45 seconds off. Grab that water. I'm gonna move up this timer. And I love creating these flows with these core workouts of coming up, coming down, holding in a plank position, flipping over, just targeting all the different areas in your abdominal wall. So we got one more round, about 15 seconds before we go again, alternating bird dogs, okay? Tabletop position. If you have that mirror, can you check? Is it rounded? Is it flat? Really engaged here. All right. Here we go. Alternating bird dogs. Really reach through as if there's like a ray of light coming out through your fingers. Extend. As we go through life, sometimes we can get a little bit unbalanced, and this is a great way to know how to activate and center yourself. 15 off, plank reaches, taking it down. And you know, if this is getting too much, you can always drop to your knees for that modification on the plank reaches, all right? So take it all the way up, reach, modification, take those knees low. You got it. Here we are, round 3. So hard to not sway those hips. I wanna be here, but we're not gonna do it. Swimmers, staying down here, arms and legs extended, alternating arms and legs, head down, into the neck, and swim. Woo! Come on, y'all, let's go. Whew. So these swimmers are so strong, not even water. All right, flip it over. 2 more exercises. We're right there. Alternating heel taps. See if you can challenge yourself. Lift up this last round. I think my favorite type of workout or burn is core burn. Okay, here we go. I just like core burn because I feel like everything is happening here. Legs just burn like a mother when I have to do leg workouts, but core, I'm down for the fight. Remember that chin up. Don't get tired, don't hold your head. It's light. Let all the work be here. Don't strain yourself. Modification is down here. 1 more, y'all. Here we go, suitcase crunches, everything extended. You ready? Woo! Pack it all up. Last rep. Yes. There you go. To it. I got more videos coming to you. Thank you for joining me and busting your butt. And remember, it is not about perfection, it is about progression. Keep working, you busybodies. I'll see you next time.